My lamp is haunted, I'm sure of it. Here, Sadako, Sadako, Sadako. Okay, so this is my room. Nothing unpacked yet. Kind of tiny but cute. That's the yard. That's garbage and bicycles and Pepsi. And then we have like a TV. Actually, it's the kitchen. There lives my roommate, who's not here yet. Rice cookers, 2 fridges, stuff, another window, and then we have the bathroom and the shower room. I think that's about